But here we are. I was going to walk on down to the school and do some more detecting for clad. But I noticed this guy working on a house down the block that just recently sold. So I figured it's a nice old house. Let's see if I can get permission to do the yard. Well, he said yes. Let's see what we can find. An interesting fishing weight. Never quite seen a flat one like that. I mean, I've seen flat ones, but it's definitely different. So far, nothing old. Few zinc pennies, few copper pennies, couple quarters, and a collage of all kinds of other stuff. But the house was built in '36. There gotta be something good out here. Definitely not a nickel. This yard's turning out to be a little less than I hoped for. Okay, we're talking dime or a penny right here. Let's see how wrong I can be. Should be right in here. Yeah, it's in my hand. Let's see how wrong I can be. Hey, I was right. It's a penny. It's obviously copper, otherwise it wouldn't sound like that. 1980. What is wrong with this yard? Why can't you kick up some older stuff? Still on the hunt for the find of the day. 1980. Well, that ain't it. Keep looking. One for the Rat Man. 1977. How you doing, Pat? Another penny. 73. For a house built in 1936, this is starting to get baffling. Yeah. Third quarter of the day. Oop, I'm not supposed to tell them much, because all the clad's going in the digging bin. So I can't tell you how much clad I dig up. But anyways, yeah, we got another quarter. 97. Excuse me. Oh well, a bit more for the digging spin. I was really hoping we'd find some silver on this property, but doesn't seem to be working out that way. Could be the strongest nickel sound God ever put on this earth, or it could be a big old wheel weight. Oh well. On to the next hole. Well, been over this yard pretty good, and just not finding anything old. I don't know. Think I'm just gonna have to call it a day. Batteries are dying. Oh, sweaty. Getting treasure hat head. I don't know. Let's go home and see what we found. Okay, not much. Quick look. Obviously, nice little pile of trash. And let's see what we got over here. And we got a tire pressure gauge, little hose in the end. That's a pretty nice one. I'll probably use that one. The washers in it, make it go. Fishing weight. A little bit of clad for the digging spin. Whole mess of copper pennies. Little dog license and some stinking zingums. And there we go. Anyways, all that clad's going in the dig and spin. So if you haven't gone over and signed up for the dig and spin, go back to that video and do it. Get in on the fun. You don't want to miss out. Y'all stay safe. Happy hunting.